Today we are going to look at a product called neck shoulder stretcher relaxer cervical chiropathic traction device massage pillow for pain relief and cervical spine alignment. This is called a winning product because first it's sold online. Secondly, it solves a particular problem. What problem does this winning product solve? It relaxes the cervical spine. It also comes with cover assists available on both sides, as you can see, both sides of the neck spine region. Uh, it also a winning product because it has a high perceived value and has a wow factor. It currently has 4.8 star reviews on AliExpress. The listing store is called Info Built-in Store. They've been on AliExpress since September 12, 2019. You can contact the supplier directly to negotiate the price and also discuss shipping duration and times. It also has 10 reviews with 225 orders. It's stated on AliExpress that you have $3 off every $30 spent. The cost price on AliExpress, if you decide to list this in your dropshipping Woocommerce, WeStore, or Shopify store, is 12.32 USD. And comes with coupons. You can also negotiate the price with the list in AliExpress, as you can see. Going further, it comes with a free shipping from China to the United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Expected delivery is on May 02. As at the time of making this video, this is March 29, 2022. You can not go with this shipping time because your customer will be angry with the delay in receiving their products. Secondly, the expected delivery time for most customers located in the United States, UK, or European countries is 7 to 14 days. So you can also go for other shipping options. If you click on more options, you will see shipping to the United States. The cost of shipping is 1.87 USD, but it's stated that it has free shipping from orders over $100 from China to the United States via SFE parcel. Expected delivery is on April 24. You can also decide not to go for this. Why? Because it doesn't have tracking. Tracking is unavailable. I don't advise you go for shipping method that does not have any tracking attached to it. Let's go down further. The second shipping is 2.16 USD. That is the cost of shipping is 2.16 USD, and free shipping for orders over $100 from China to the United States via Keanu standard for special goods. And so delivery is on April 21. You can go for this because the delivery is short compared to May, and you can, since it's a high perceived value product, the customers can be willing to wait for the products. You can specify it on your Shopify or WooCommerce store. They're willing to wait for a product, and the shipping method is tracked, so you can decide to go for this shipping method. Now let's look at the proposed selling price, adding the shipping cost to the cost price, and also see the marketing strategy you're going to use to sell this product, and also the customer service adopted for your Shopify or WooCommerce store. The marketing strategy for the neck and shoulder stretcher relaxer is one, Facebook ads targeting the health and fitness niche. You can look at the age range between 16 to 65. Target both male and female. Countries you target the United States. If you can decide to go for the United States, you can also target United Kingdom. You can also go for United Kingdom as one location. Target Canada, Spain, New Zealand, Australia, Germany, and France. In our future video, we are going to use our practical Facebook ads to explain this illustration. Now let's go further to look at other marketing strategy. Instagram fitness influencers, USA, UK, Spain, Germany, and France. You can also use the fitness influencers in this niche. You can also use Google Shopping ads, Google search ads. You can also use YouTube search ads. You can also use YouTube video ads. And looking at the cost price based on the cost on AliExpress, the cost price is 12.32 USD. Your shipping cost is 2.16 USD. based on our explanation, we are using tracked shipping time. So we add the shipping price to the cost price, and if you add both, it's going to give you a total cost price of 14.48 USD. That is looking at the total cost of the products. You add your cost price and shipping price, you're looking at 14.48 USD. But let's look at the gross profit margin. We're going to have a gross profit margin of 25.51 USD if if we decide to sell at a price of 39.99 USD. You can also sell at price of 39.95 USD. Okay, now let's look at our customer service method. Using effective customer service, it's good to state this on your Shopify or Woocommerce or WeStore to increase your conversion rates and to enable more return visitors or customers in your store. And one of the customer service method you can use is professional phone number, so your customers can reach you directly concerning any inquiries, frequently asked questions, and complaints. You can also add a professional email address to your store, so they can reach you directly and you can reply based on their frequently asked questions. You can also install a chatbot on your e-commerce store, be it Shopify, WooCommerce, or WeStore. And such e-commerce example of the e-commerce chatbot is called many chatbots. You can install that on your store. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Please, if you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.